Okay, so guys, back again. This is for the so I'm looking on this chart. What we can see here is first of all start with the dollar. I mean the gold. Gold we can see it is going lower this week. It's going higher. The weekly fairly gap is there, but before that we have another PD array. That is this previous month low plus monthly order block is there. In the monthly time frame, you can see this. I'm talking about this. If that's the case, it's preventing the market to go upside. So now I'm waiting for the confirmation the other side, but I'm bullish. Order flow is respecting bullish, everything looks bullish. But the fact that it's changing my narrative that this candle is not displaced above this candle's high, it's not being displaced by this candles on a closing basis. It's changing the narrative for me. Also, the previous day high. Also, we have taken the previous an old high, which is being taken out, and the sell side liquidity is residing a lot on the downside. So we'll see what happens, but it's hard to say. But right now, I'm sticking to the bias because down candles is supporting price action. So I'm looking for the high prices. How beautiful the down candle is there, supporting the price for the bullishness. If this candle gets disrespected, swing low, then only I'll be changing my stance and look to bearish. Until then, I'm sticking to the bias, which is bullish. Beautiful. Favorable gap, inversion favorable gap. This one. Then we are looking for the bias liquidity. And ultimately, there are a lot of liquidity pools. And this is the weekly favorable gap which I'm looking at. Again, the only thing that will change my narrative from higher to low is the swing low. The lower time frame. The thing that will confirm us that price is not does not want to go up is this favorable gap. Let me tell you how. This is a favorable gap which is supporting the price to go higher, right? So the fact that if this favorable gap gets threaded through, what does it confirms us? It tells us that the market is respecting the bearish PD arrays. Means the favorable gap if this favorable gap is threaded through, that will be my telltale sign that markets want to rally downside. Also a swing low is there that is taken up. That is my confirmation and things which I'm looking at. Until then, I'm sticking to the downside objective. I mean the bullish objective because the silver, let me tell you, silver, Silver is reaching for this one, and I do think that it's just it will just touch that level and then reject. So I'm waiting for the this market to reach there, and if this reaches there and gold consolidates, then I'll be looking for the bearish prices in the gold, and I will understand that price didn't wanna fill this inefficiency for the upside right now. Then I'll be looking for the closure of this one. Anyway, we have okay, so using this, see if it reaches there and dollar, not the dollar, um, gold consolidates. This is a down candle, so we want to see breakthrough, not the complete closure of the body. Also, this is Monday, Tuesday, and this is Wednesday. The level we are reaching. We are also looking at this down candle to have a look at this. And then in the 5 minute, we have this swing low. Also, this gets violated, and violating this, not just completely um, taking out this one and just going up from here. There. No, we want to see gold reaching out there. This is being disrespected very with a huge displacement, and then we'll look to see price how price comes up, trades down lower, and ultimately taking out this one because that is the market structure shift point that will tell us that now the market is going to go in that direction. And this was for the now let's look at the dollar index monthly time frame. So dollar index monthly time frame, but we can see okay, BC is not being closed here. That's why I have this line. And monthly, there's nothing. It's just consolidating. While the previous month high is being taken out. I forgot to show you that. But you can see this. This was the previous month's high. It's taken out, rejected. We have this Y side liquidity pull, form of another old high. I'll show you in the low time frames, but we don't have inefficiency in the weekly time frame, the daily time frame. We do have the inefficiencies, and let me show you that. We are having this one and this down candle. So what it's showing that if this down candles also if you look down candle, this down candle is being taken out on the both the sides, that's potential sign of reversal. So yeah, price can reverse and take out this lows and ultimately trade lower. We also need to know the down candle, that is the order block that is being made here, and we have this and the swing high just above. So that is also an area and a point of interest that can be traded. 1 hour time frame. Well, let me see. this time frame, whatever. So we have consecutive down candles, the up move. So what it is telling us is I have to go again. So we can see the previous day was closed with a displacement that shows a willingness to go higher and taking out this one, but it has taken both sides of the liquidity. So and this has a candles, no bias, but still I'm looking for the upside because we have this price of liquidity pool. Let's see what happens, and I want to quickly change my narrative, so that's why. Storm candles and the consequent endorsement of this wick is also a salient point. Then we have the 1 hour chart. We have a inefficiency here and small inefficiency here. But before that, we have this up candle, down candle, high, low. So that's a breaker. Price is really bullish. Should respect the down candles. Try to trade high. And if not, then we're looking for the lower prices because we have taken out the buy side liquidity. So we have a full closure of this one. We can reach here. $15 index. This one. What's the time frame? You can see consolidation, but the down candles look supporting the price. We traded inside the daily fair value gap. The weekly, we have this constant enroachment of the week on the daily. That's but we have. I want to show you this that this level is still not being um, closed. So this is the level I'm looking at. Nothing else for the weekly time frame. In the daily time frame, we have a lot. Look, we have a down candle here. We have the sell side liquidity which is not being traded. It has just tapped in and just rejected. Then we have up candle that is an order block, and okay, I forgot to show you that 4 hour time frame. We have this inefficiency. So we'll be looking at the market to fill out that first, and then only we can trade lower. And if that's not the case, suppose if that's not the case, again nothing changes in here for the 2 hour. Still a lot of inefficiency for the upside. It's just like the dollar. That has inefficiency lower. It has inefficiency higher. Mm, 5 minute chart. So now it's from this low to this. I mean, from this high to this low. That's the range. So I'll wait for the market to reach the preview. GBP USD. It has strong tendency to go up. It's the down candles in the monthly time frame are respecting the order flow. Okay, now the weekly time frame. There will a gap. Hold low is there. It's not being traded. Tapped in. Daily fair will a gap filled in. So that shows indecisiveness. The time frame will reach the rejection block, and it really looks just in a consolidation. So we don't have the high probability setup in this area, but we have this inefficiency. We have taken a lot of buy side liquidity, so we'll be looking at the market to fill out that and trade lower, which we have already done so. So I don't have a bias for this one, but I will be looking for the lower prices. And this one, we have this low. And I'm just not clear for this one, so I just not participate in this. I don't want to say anything about this one. And that's what it is. And again, tomorrow I'll come back with the same analysis for the DXY, gold, and euro and GU. So until then, wish you good luck in good trading. See you guys.